everyone. Welcome back to English Explained. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. It's great to have you here again. Today, we're going to talk about something that's super useful in everyday life. How to open a bank account.
Exactly. Whether you're a student, an employee, or someone new to a country, opening a bank account is one of the first important things you need to do.
That's right. Having a bank account makes it easier to receive your salary, pay bills, save money, and even shop online safely.
And in today's conversation, we'll walk you through the entire process, step by step, so you'll not only learn how to open a bank account, but also learn useful English words and phrases you can use at the bank.
So grab your notebook, because we're about to make your banking English better than ever.
Let's start with the basics. Why do people need a bank account?
Good question. A bank account is more than just a place to keep your money. It's about security and convenience.
Right. If you keep cash at home, it's easy to lose it or get it stolen. But if your money is in a bank, it's safe.
Also, when your money is in a bank account, you can track your spending. The bank sends you statements showing where your money goes.
That helps you manage your budget and avoid overspending.
Exactly. And don't forget, many jobs today only pay through bank transfers. No bank account, no salary.
That's true. And one more thing. Having a bank account can help you build your financial history. Later, when you want a loan or credit card, your bank record helps prove you're trustworthy.
Before you open a bank account, you need to know which type of account you want.
Yes. There are usually two main types: a checking account and a savings account.
A checking account is used for daily transactions. That means paying bills, receiving your salary, or withdrawing cash whenever you need it.
Right. You can think of a checking account as your everyday money account.
On the other hand, a savings account is for saving money and earning interest.
Interest means the extra money the bank pays you for keeping your money there.
For example, if you save $1,000 in your account, the bank might pay you 3% interest each year.
Exactly. It's not a lot, but it helps your money grow safely.
So you'll have $1,030 after a year. Some people even open both accounts, one for daily use and one for savings.
Okay, let's talk about what you need when opening a bank account.
Usually, the bank will ask for a few documents. Proof of identity, like your passport or national ID card. Proof of address, like an electricity bill, rent agreement, or official letter. Sometimes they also need a recent photograph.
And if you're opening the account online, you'll upload those documents through the bank's website or app.
Yes. But if you're doing it in person, you'll bring physical copies and show them to the bank officer.
And don't forget, you'll also need some money to deposit when you open the account. This is called the minimum deposit.
For example, some banks might ask for $50 or $100 as the minimum deposit.
Once you've submitted your documents and the deposit, your account will usually be active in a few days, or even immediately if you're lucky.
Now, let's imagine a real conversation at the bank. Emma, you can be the customer, and I'll be the bank officer.
Perfect. Let's do it. Good morning. I'd like to open a bank account, please.
Good morning. Sure, I can help you with that. Are you interested in a checking account or a savings account?
What's the difference?
A checking account is mainly for daily use, like paying bills or receiving your salary. A savings account is for saving money and earning interest.
Okay, I think I'll open a checking account.
Great. I'll need your ID, proof of address, and a recent photo. Do you have those with you?
Yes, I have them right here.
Perfect. Please fill out this form. You'll also need to make an initial deposit of $100.
All right, here's the money.
Thank you. Your account should be ready in a few minutes. Once it's done, you'll receive your debit card and checkbook.
That's great. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome, and welcome to our bank.
That was a great role play, Jack. Let's go over some useful English phrases people can use at the bank.
Sure. Here are a few examples. I'd like to open a bank account. Can you explain the difference between a savings and checking account? What documents do I need to bring? How long will it take to open my account? Is there a minimum balance requirement? Can I open the account online? I'd like to deposit some money. Can I get a debit card with this account?
Those are all great. And here are some helpful words to remember. Deposit, to put money into your account.
Withdrawal, to take money out. Balance, the amount of money you have in your account. ATM, a machine you use to withdraw or deposit cash. Interest, the extra money the bank pays you for saving.
If you're learning English, try using these words in sentences. For example, I deposited $100 in my account. I withdrew some cash from the ATM.
Nice examples, Jack.
Now, many banks also let you open an account online. And it's super easy.
Yes, you don't even have to visit the bank. You just go to their website or download their app.
You'll fill out a digital form, upload your ID and address documents, and make your first deposit online.
Some banks even let you verify your identity through a short video call with a representative.
That's right. And after you finish, you'll get your account details by email, and sometimes your debit card is mailed to your home.
It's fast, simple, and saves a lot of time.
But make sure the website is official and secure. Don't share your information with any unknown or suspicious website.
Yes, that's important. Always check if the website address starts with https://. The S stands for secure.
Once your account is open, you need to maintain it properly.
Exactly. Always keep enough money in your account to avoid penalty charges. Some banks charge a fee if your balance drops below the minimum amount.
Also, check your bank statements regularly. That helps you spot any mistakes or unauthorized transactions.
And if you lose your debit card, report it immediately. The bank will block the card to protect your money.
Good advice. And don't share your password with anyone, not even friends or relatives.
Yes. The bank will never ask for your PIN by phone or email. If someone does, it's a scam.
Stay safe, stay smart. That's the rule for online banking.
Emma, let's answer some common questions people might have when opening a bank account.
Sure.
Question 1. Can a student open a bank account? Yes. Many banks have special student accounts with no minimum balance and zero fees.
Question 2. Can I open more than one account in the same bank? Yes, you can. For example, one checking and one savings account.
Question 3. Can I open a bank account without a job? Yes, as long as you have valid ID and address proof. The bank doesn't require employment, but some accounts may have different limits.
And one more. Can I open a joint account? Yes. A joint account allows 2 or more people, like a husband and wife, to share one account.
That's useful for families who share expenses.
Let's also share a few cultural tips for people opening a bank account in a new country.
Good idea. First, always make an appointment before visiting the bank, especially in Western countries like the US or the UK.
Yes, that saves time. Also, bring all your documents neatly organized. It makes a good impression.
And don't forget to greet the bank staff politely. A simple good morning or how are you today goes a long way.
In many countries, customer service is important. So, being polite and patient helps you get better service.
Before we wrap up, let's quickly review some key words we learned today.
Sure, repeat after us. Everyone, account, deposit, withdrawal, balance, interest, statement, debit card, ATM, checking account, savings account, minimum balance, proof of address.
Great job. If you repeat these words out loud, you'll remember them better.
And try using them in sentences, maybe in your next English conversation practice.
So, Emma, what's your final advice for someone opening a bank account for the first time?
I'd say, do your research. Compare different banks, check their fees, and choose one that fits your needs.
Good point. Some banks offer free accounts for students, while others offer rewards or cashback for spending.
And always read the terms and conditions before signing anything.
Yes, that's something many people forget.
Remember, opening a bank account is not just about money. It's about building a secure and responsible financial life.
Beautifully said.
All right, everyone. That's all for today's episode.
We hope you enjoyed learning about how to open a bank account and picked up some new English vocabulary along the way.
If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Explained.
And tell us in the comments, have you ever opened a bank account? How was your experience?
We'd love to hear your stories.
Thanks for listening, everyone. Until next time.
Keep learning and keep smiling.